Hey, this is Sam here from kitchengadgetsclub.com and also the voice of your popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. We are enjoying our theme that we're bringing you of different things to cook each day with the Ninja Foodi 15 in 1 so that you can learn how to use it. But one thing that confuses a lot of people is doing the steam meals. The idea that you do three types of food at the same time in one machine, which is commonly known as cooking the carbs at the bottom, then the vegetables, and then usually the protein at top. Though you can mix and match and sometimes have the vegetable and the protein all together on the top line or have it on the middle. So I think it's actually easier to learn how to use these different things by separating it and then dedicating part of your meal to each of these elements before you bring them together. So by having bringing you a video that shows you how to do the protein, one that shows you how to do the potatoes, and another one that shows you how to do the veg. Or you don't have to be potatoes for carbs, it could be some rice, for example, instead. So that's what we're going to be covering over the next few days, and then we can transform it into a meal for you and you can learn how the meal actually happens. Thanks so much for watching our YouTube video. It feels so amazing that you've stuck around to the end. And of course, that must mean that you like our videos. So why not also follow us on social media? You can find us at the Kitchen Gadgets Club on Facebook and on Pinterest, TikTok. We're Kitchen Gadgets Club. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great videos like this one. And you can also find us at kitchengadgetsclub.com, where we have a membership that shares brand new kitchen gadget recipes every week. And we also have lots of great ideas, resources, tips and tricks. And we are an ovenless kitchen, so we teach you exclusively how to cook with kitchen gadgets. And a ciao for now.